Some places are not meant to be visited, they are meant to be felt. And some places that change your location, they change your pace. Welcome to South Sikkim, just beyond Namchi. Hidden quietly in the lap of the Himalayas, Kitam. Here roads are not in a hurry, and maybe that's why the moment you enter Kitam, life automatically slows down. No rush, no noise, just a space to breathe. Geographically, Kitam lies in the lower Himalayan region. This area is surrounded by tropical and subtropical forests, which means greenery here is not a seasonal, it's permanent. Here forests don't grow from the ground, they grow from the soul of the land. Kitam village is not a tourist setup, it is a living village. Small houses, simple lives, and heart that are still open. Farming, nature-based living, and a strong sense of community, this is the real culture of Kitam. Life here is not loud, happiness does not announce itself, it just exists. Historically, the region is deeply connected to Lepcha and Nepalese culture. Here, nature is not something to be used, it is something to be respected. That's why Kitam has not lost its soul even with time moving forward. And just outside the village, the world quietly changes. Welcome to Kitam Bird Sanctuary. This forest is not designed to impress, it is designed to survive. The silence here is not empty, it is full. Birds here don't perform for cameras, they exist because this is their home. You may not see them clearly, but you will feel them in the wind, in the stillness, in the calm. This forest does not explain anything, it simply holds you. And then, from within this silence comes a sound, water. This is the Rangit river. Rangit is not aggressive, it is honest. It does not rush, it breathes. The Rangit river is the lifeline of Kitam, forming village life, and the entire ecosystem moves with its rhythm. It reminds us that you don't have to be fast to be meaningful. Sometimes slow is powerful. And within this natural calm, there is a place that offers comfort without disturbing the balance, Peafowl Resort. This is not a flashy luxury, this is a quiet luxury. Here, luxury does not shout, it whispers. Morning begins with mountains, nights end with the sound of the Rangit river. Staying here does not feel like a break from life. It feels like a return to yourself. Kitam does not try to impress you, it simply accepts you. This field is not made for Instagram, it is made for the heart. Kitam Village, Kitam Bird Sanctuary, Rangit River, and Peafowl Resort, together they don't create a destination, they create an experience. So, if life ever feels too noisy, too fast, too heavy, come to Kitam. Here, even silence feels beautiful.